Hi everyone, Simon from the Stock Dork here again with another top pick breakdown. If you're anything like me, you want to buy things that are built to last, and the stock market is no different. Playing the long game is definitely a smart strategy if you want to come out on top. And I'm going to break down all of the best investment options to sink your teeth into. After all, if you're watching this, you may be either just beginning your investment journey, or you're trying to build your investment portfolio bigger and better than ever before. Don't forget that it's wise to stay until the end though. There are a few gems in here you might not be expecting, so let's dive in. The first company on our list is a behemoth of the stock market, that one slightly sweet, sharp and fizzy favourite beverage more than likely located in your fridge. That's right, you guessed it, Coca-Cola, ticker KO. The company was first formed in the late 1800s and to this day remains one of the most popular beverages on the market. With over 500 subsidiary brands, their influence spans the entire globe, just as Santa Claus. I'm sure you could find a can in the hands of one of those elves there up in the North Pole. I mean, who doesn't love a boost of caffeine from their favourite Coca-Cola beverage while working on all those toys? Their ability to adapt their marketing strategy to changing markets has enabled them to maintain relevance in even the most difficult conditions. Coca-Cola isn't going anywhere, so this could be a great long-term option for investors. It's hard to think your favourite can of soda can get any better, but if there's anyone that can do it, we think Coca-Cola can. In our opinion, Coca-Cola has been around for 100 years and is here to stay. Moving on from sweet, tasty and refreshing, let's move on to someone else who's been around for a while. With over 100 years as an automotive manufacturer, the next stock on our list is definitely in it for the long haul. Detroit-based General Motors Company, ticker GM, is home to brands such as Chevrolet, Buick, GMC and Cadillac. It's no doubt that we have some Ford lovers with us here today, but General Motors certainly sits on the throne as the biggest automotive manufacturer in the US. Despite having a considerable presence, GM is looking overseas for further opportunities and even delivered nearly 3 million vehicles to China in January. With so much forward momentum, investors could see General Motors stock trending in the right direction. Now this may be a stupid question, but have you heard of the iPhone? Yeah, you and about 1 billion others. The next stock on our list is consumer technology giant Apple, ticker AAPL. The company has products on the computer, smartphone, watch, gadget space, as well as its own streaming service, Apple TV, and is never hesitant to push the boundaries of innovation. While they have been victims to supply chain issues in the last couple of years, this hasn't put even the slightest dent in their popularity, with sales reaching nearly $100 billion in Q2 alone. The business has established a strong competitive advantage and is often ranked as one of the most valuable brands, so definitely add it to your list. Seriously, what even is an Android? Now, are you still with us? Great, we've got a few belters coming up, so strap in. Perhaps best known for its sticky notes, the next company on our list has products in just about every household in the Western world. 3M, ticker MMM, encompasses over 30 brands and sells all kinds of products including lubricants, medical supplies, building materials and automotive parts, just to name a few. Such a diverse offering shields them from any market instability, and if you combine this with their 3.5% dividend yield, it could certainly be a great pick for any investor. Well, if you didn't already know, dividend stocks are a great way for investors to yield regular returns, and international health conglomerate Johnson & Johnson has a great offer. With a 125-year history in the pharmaceutical industry, the company makes over $360 billion in revenue each year and employs close to 126,000 people around the globe. With a payout ratio of 52%, J&J can make a great long-term investment. With this company as part of a diverse portfolio, there should be no more tears, only smiles. Now let's mine for some gold with this one, because one stock making a track in the mining space is FreeportMcMoran Inc., ticker FCX. Best known for gold, copper and molybdenum mining operations, the company was founded in 1834 by Eric Pearson Swanson, who started mining operations along the east coast of America and has since expanded around the globe. It already has highly productive mining assets in relatively stable nations like the US and Indonesia, and its share price has been trending upwards since March 2020. With copper demand rising year on year, this could be a great pick for the long term. Don't sleep on it because this one might dig up some gold returns just for you. Despite the retail market being in decline on the whole, one stock that's keeping its head high above the water is discount clothing store Ross Stores Inc., ticker ROST. With their slogan, "Dress for Less," how can you not forget it? Doesn't everybody want to dress for less? Founded by Stuart Moldor, their stock has had an impressive run since going public more than 30 years ago, averaging nearly 15% return each year from that time. Their high dividend yield doesn't seem to be slowing down, so investors should keep a keen eye on this stock. Are you ready for the final stock on our list? Here it is. You may have heard of Lyft, you may have heard of Uber, but have you heard of Didi Global? Known for its mobility technology and rideshare platform, Didi Global Inc., ticker DIDI, has steadily been building up its base of users around the world, with nearly 500 million on its platform today. While it does have the likes of Uber and Lyft for competition, the company's presence in South American countries such as Brazil and Mexico puts them firmly in the picture. From a long-term perspective, Didi has the potential to be an outstanding stock to hold onto if it continues to carve out a space in this niche. So that was kind of a lot of information to take in, huh? We don't want to overwhelm you, so let us know in the comments what you've learned. Be sure to watch back over your favourite stock you've heard about today, and see to it that you begin strengthening your portfolio in the near future. After all, the stocks on this list could be a great starting point for building a well-balanced portfolio. Yes, short-term wins are all fun and games, but as Warren Buffett once found out, you can't beat the market. So develop that marathon mindset, have some patience, and you will reap the rewards down the line. Take care, and I'll see you next time for some more stock picks.